Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many reptile enthusiasts have been buzzing about, the Zilla QuickBuild 20-gallon glass reptile terrarium habitat. If you're interested in this terrarium, we've added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Zilla QuickBuild terrarium? It's a spacious 20-gallon habitat designed specifically for various reptiles and amphibians like geckos, snakes, lizards, frogs, turtles, and tortoises. Measuring 30 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 12 inches high, this terrarium provides ample space for your pet to explore and thrive while also offering you an easy way to maintain their environment. Now, let's discuss some of the standout features that make this habitat a top choice for reptile owners. First and foremost, it's designed for high quality and ease of assembly. The Zilla QuickBuild comes with straightforward instructions, enabling you to set it up in no time. This is particularly beneficial for those who may be new to reptile care or are looking for a hassle-free setup process. One of the most appealing aspects of this terrarium is the accessibility it offers. It features a front-opening glass door, which makes it incredibly convenient to reach in and interact with your pet. Additionally, the double-hinged locking top screen includes a feeding port, allowing you to feed your reptiles without having to open the entire enclosure. This design is not only practical but also ensures your pets can be safely secured while you're attending to their needs. Speaking of safety, the Zilla QuickBuild terrarium is built with your pet's security in mind. Both the top screen and the sliding front opening doors can be locked, ensuring that your pets remain safely inside their habitat. This feature is particularly important for more adventurous reptiles that might try to escape if given the chance. Another notable feature is the eye-catching tempered glass construction. It not only adds a modern and sleek aesthetic to your space but also offers durability and sturdiness. The design allows for stackability, which is a great option if you're considering housing multiple reptiles or creating a more extensive habitat setup. Cleaning and maintenance are crucial when caring for reptiles, and Zilla has made this easier with their quick-build options. You can choose between a solid water-holding base or a removable bedding tray. This flexibility allows you to select the best option based on your specific needs, making cleaning and changing the bedding a breeze. Now, who is this terrarium suitable for? The Zilla QuickBuild 20-gallon glass terrarium is perfect for both beginner and experienced reptile owners. If you're just starting your journey with reptiles, this habitat provides a user-friendly setup that won't overwhelm you. For seasoned owners, its durability and thoughtful design offer a reliable home for your beloved pets. In terms of practical use cases, this terrarium can be an excellent habitat for a variety of reptiles and amphibians. Whether you're housing a curious gecko, a shy turtle, or a lively frog, the Zilla QuickBuild provides the perfect environment for them to thrive. Plus, its aesthetic design makes it an attractive addition to any room, allowing you to showcase your pets while ensuring they have a safe and comfortable living space. In conclusion, the Zilla QuickBuild 20-gallon glass reptile terrarium habitat is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a secure, stylish, and easily manageable home for their reptiles or amphibians. With its high-quality construction, user-friendly features, and practical design options, it stands out as a top contender in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.